Yeah, it's probably a good idea.
Hurry now, don't electrocute yourself.
Keyboard in? Let's go with our first beginning of the set just to get it down quick, just to hear how it sounds, and then we'll do 3 little birds. I think that's a good way to do it.
So you're saying Ocean Dog Green Man.
What are you?
Blue Sky Dog Green Man. and dub in a real life present.
Hey, bitch.
Dude, you played that really well. You played that really, really well.
Birthday. You have a gift. I wrapped it myself.
Look at you. You're so good.
You're fantastic.
You didn't know he was coming, right?
Absolutely.
Nice
That's
try.
why I yelled at Mino when I started rattling. I was
Yeah,
like,
I was, alright, yeah.
how you doing, bro?
Wait, did you know he was...
I can't believe it. No. This is so... I was like, out to my parents. So Andrew's in Miami. Yeah, I remember you saying that.
Taking a nice break.
Ed, this is my friend Chip.
Stop being so damn tall and stop
Yeah,
having so many
right.
tall friends. What do you think? You're better than me? Come on. Jesus.
Every bit of worthfulness is based off of my
That's
That's true.
Hey, good things are packed into small packages too, you know.
That's what they tell them.
You know, some of the most deadliest Navy SEAls are 5'11".
Napoleon, man.
That's okay. I love it. Guys, you guys are great. Did you have
Yeah,
fun?
this is amazing.
Yeah, that's great.
Did you really? Yeah! Yeah, we're playing some
We've been doing it for about a year now.
How did you all find each other?
Like honestly, and I like me and my family have fun.
Great. You have, I don't think I've heard of that.
My father just had a stop. Oh, yeah. Before we had him at a bike night. Kind of just got everybody out there. Many boards and each plant together every year.
Stop it! I'm not here for your fun! This is horrible! Did you guys go to college?
Yeah, we did.
That's just it's all true. Yeah.
How do you guys do each other?
Oh, awesome. My kid came over and started playing there. Alex and were like,
I got into it quick with you.
it's hard when you're trying, you're like,
You don't know what you're getting into with other parents, right? You have to be careful.
I made it very clear. I was like, I'm listening to my earbuds at all times. I'm literally talking to you like, I'm like, I've seen a lot. I'm like, alright.
And how long ago was that? Was that like...
We went there. Yeah, our kids are.
What is...
Dude, it was great though. I just fucking chilled out.
Did you guys any fights with other parents?
No,
Are they like
I'm
bonding
like,
moments?
I'm over all of it. I'm like, I'm done with things. Good.
My son's doing the lacrosse club, and we were like,
No, I just
trying to avoid
like,
parents in general
I
to stand off by ourselves. And then you realize the guy that you befriended, what is like, big job, man, motherfucker. You know, you're like,
this is what we're trying to get. And now we're like, now we have to extricate. You're like, Carl, maybe you tone it down a notch. All right.
by doing like calisthenics, like
How's it fun?
because he wanted me to come up to you and drop the pitch like I did on my
I did it! I said to wait behind him.
He didn't like all the kids.
Alright, I told him to wait behind me and turn around.
I didn't know if I could anything. You got my plan. I live outside of Boston.
You look
And now the
Thank you.
I have the dogs with TV.
So yeah, and the band stuff you can go. Should I open this? Can I open
No,
Nice, dude. I'm so excited. Oh yeah.
In your face.